In this video, I will show you how to use the TradeLocker Mobile App, so let's get started. You will need to download the app on your device. The app is available on both iOS and Android systems. After downloading the app and opening it, you will need to log in. Make sure you are using demo and not live. That's the most common mistake people make, and then they are unable to log in. You can find the credentials to your trading account in our dashboard, so you just copy and paste them over to the TradeLocker app. Under server, you need to write ft-log, so you can log into our server. Double check if everything is correct and click on the login button. After you log in, you will see this screen. Let's go through the interface of the app so you can navigate it with confidence. The navigation is really easy. On the top, you have three different sections: chart, markets, and trades. Let's start with the chart section. In the middle, you will see your open charts. You can simply zoom in or out using your two fingers. In the top left corner, you will find time frames. If you click on it, you can change between them or mark your favorite time frames so you have the ones you want visible on the screen. Next to it, you will find settings for chart types. I recommend using the candles because they will tell you all you need to know. After that, you will find a button for indicators where you can add any available indicator to your chart. Moving forward, you will see this green dot that looks like a radar. This indicates that the market for the symbol is now open. If you click on it, you can check the opening hours. At the end, you will find settings for the chart where you have four different options: symbol, status line, scales and lines, and canvas. Under symbol, you will find settings for changing the colors of the candles and data modification. Under status line, you can change what will be visible in the text in the top left corner of your chart. Moving to scales and lines, here you can change the settings of scales in the chart. You have two, one linear at the bottom that shows you time and one vertical on the right that shows you the price of the symbol. The last option is canvas, where you can change the colors of the background, grid lines, crosshair, and other elements. On the left of your chart, you will find a panel with drawing and graphic tools. And here is a tip for you. If you don't like the Fibonacci from TradingView because TradeLocker uses TradingView charts, this is how you can change it. Click on the Fibonacci and draw it on your chart. Once it is drawn, click on it, choose the three dots and head over to the settings. In the settings, unmark all numbers that are higher than 1 and also unmark the background. If you are using different values in your strategy, you can simply change them or delete the ones you don't use. Under the chart, you will find an order option through which you are going to open your trades. The first important thing is the button called Market. If you click on it, it will change to pending. The difference is simple. If you choose Market, it means you are going to open a trade immediately. And if you choose pending, you are going to open a pending order. Next to it, you have a button called Risk. If you click on it, drag the risk where you want to set your stop loss and then fill in the amount you want to risk. It will adjust the volume so you don't have to calculate it. Then you just click on the take profit button and drag your take profit where you want. And you can open the trade with the buy or sell button. The pending order works the same way with one extra step. You just need to drag the pending line where you want to set your pending order and then set your stop loss, take profit and open the pending order. The market section is basically a watch list. If you click on any symbol, it will open a chart of that symbol. If you hold your finger on any instrument, it will open settings where you can take a look at the details of the specific symbol, like opening hours, leverage, swaps, and fees. You can also mark the symbols as your favorite. You can create like this a list of your favorite symbols. And if you tap on the star in the top right corner, it will only show your favorites. You can also check the news in the market section, but for that, I recommend using our calendar on our website dashboard or following us on our socials where we post the news in a more user-friendly format. The last section is trades, where you can see your balance, used margin, and equity. Under it, you will find all your open positions, pending orders, closed positions, or the whole order history. If you click on any of your open positions, you can share them, for example, to show your trades on our Discord server, edit to modify your position in the chart, break even to set your stop loss or take profit to break even. For example, if you are already in profit, clicking this button will set your stop loss to break even. If you are in a loss and want to exit at break even, it will set your take profit to that level. Then you have option for partially close your position, where you will just fill in how many lots from your position you want to close. And the last option is full close, to close entirely the position. If you want to set a trailing stop loss, click on your open position, choose Edit, and click on the arrow pointing up. Here, click on Trail and set up your trailing stop. If you are trading with more accounts or want to log in into your new account, you can just click on the profile picture in the top right corner and log out or switch to a different account. And that will be all from the TradeLocker mobile app.